Have you ever had an idea for an app but thought, I can't code, so this will never happen? Well, I felt the same way until I tried using AI to build one. Instead of learning to program or hiring developers, I wrote one clear prompt, and in less than a day, I had a working app that helps run my business. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps I took using an AI builder called Base44 so you can see how simple it really is. Let's get started. Step 0, plan your app. When you first start with Base44, the most important thing is the prompt you give it. The AI will only build what you describe. So if your prompt is vague, your app will come out vague too. That's why I plan my prompt in ChatGPT first. It's cheaper and faster to test ideas here before using credits inside Base44. For my app, I called it GV Videos Production Hub, basically my own YouTube content studio. I told ChatGPT it needed 2 roles: admin, which is me and my team, and sponsors, which are the brands I work with. On the admin side, we'd manage video projects, create shot lists, track sponsor requests, send invoices, and keep deadlines organized in a calendar. Now, on the sponsor side, they should be able to log in, request a sponsorship, upload briefs, or creative files, and then check the status of their project and invoices. ChatGPT also helped me outline the pages I'd need: a dashboard, videos, shot lists, sponsors, sponsorship requests, a calendar, invoices, and a profile page. Once that plan was set, I had a clear, final prompt ready to paste into Base44. Step number 1, create your app. Go to base44.com and click Start Building. The link conveniently is in the description. Next, sign up or log in to your account. On the main screen, paste your app idea, the final prompt generated from ChatGPT, into the big prompt box. Click the send/arrow button to build the app. In a few minutes, it sets up pages, a database, and user login for you. Step number 2, preview versus dashboard. Once the app is ready, you'll see 2 views. Preview shows how the app looks and works. Dashboard is where you edit your data, pages, and settings. There's also an option to view the app on a desktop and on a mobile phone. Always test both, because the live version can sometimes behave differently from the preview. Step number 3, first test drive. In preview, I click through the pages to see what's working. Some pages open fine, while others just show a 404 error. That message usually means the AI hasn't built the page yet. When that happens, I simply type a prompt asking it to create the page, and it fixes itself in seconds. On videos, I try adding a new project. At first, the button didn't work, so I asked the AI to activate it, and it was fixed almost instantly. In shot lists, I test adding scenes. On sponsors, I add a new sponsor. And in sponsorship requests, I try the form. One important note here: don't fix issues one by one. Make a list, then batch them into a single prompt. I learned this the hard way because when I ran out of free credits, my prompt locked and I had to wait until the next day to edit again. Step 4, settings. Next, in the dashboard, I go into the app settings. This is where I update the app info, logo, and description. For the default landing page, I set it to dashboard. For visibility, I choose public. Login required, so sponsors can log in with Google. I also like to clone the app before making big changes, just to be safe. There's also the authentication settings where I can configure the authentication methods that members of my app can use. In users, I can invite my team or sponsors by email. In security, I make sure sponsors only see their own projects and invoices. That's done by creating access rules with just a few clicks on this public button. Now, in the gear icon, there are extra settings. For the AI model, it usually picks the best one automatically, but you can also switch models if you prefer. Under AI controls, I can add global instructions or freeze pages so the AI won't touch them. Step number 5, make visual edits. Now, going back to preview, I click visual edit for the changes I want. That lets me tweak colors, text, or button labels directly on the page. This way, I can polish the look of my app. If I need to ask the AI for changes, I use the discuss option, but I keep in mind that every message uses 0.3 credits. So I just type in a simple change I want just to test it out and say, I want the overall background to be light bluish. It started to process it, and in just a few seconds, it edited the layout and gave me the results. Step 6. Batch your fixes. After testing, I sent out one clear prompt with all my changes. For example, I asked it to create these sponsorship requests and calendar pages that were in the navigation but not yet built, ensuring the entire application is functional. That's one prompt. Multiple changes, much faster. Step number 7. Load real data. Now I want real information inside the app. So I go to Dashboard and then Data. Then when I open video, this ellipsis has options. Click Import to upload a CSV with my video projects. Once I do that, the dashboard and calendar actually feel alive. Step number 8. Add key integrations. Now it's time to add an integration. I asked Base44 to connect Stripe so sponsors could pay invoices directly in the app. But right now, Stripe isn't available on the free tier, which I'm currently using. It gave me workaround options, so I used the external payment links. This adds a payment link field to invoices and a Pay Now button. For each invoice, I can generate a Stripe payment link in my Stripe dashboard and paste it into the invoice. When sponsors click Pay Now, the app opens Stripe's hosted checkout in a new tab to complete payments, and I manage the links in the background. If I upgrade to Builder or Hire later, I can replace this with Base44's native Stripe integration. Step 9. Check security and polish your app. In the top right corner on the Publish button, first I select Start Security Scan. This is to make sure the app is safe and not prone to hacking. Base44 checks everything, and when it finds a few things, I can just click on Apply Fixes. Going back to the Publish button, I can connect my own custom domain here if I want to, but for now, I'll just use the one they provided for testing. For the final check, I asked in the prompt if the app is now fully functional, and it started to check everything, found some errors, and fixed them all automatically. Step number 10, publish your app. Finally, when everything looks good and ready, hit the Publish button and click on Publish App. Now, the app is created and ready. And that's it. I now have a working app called GV Videos Production Hub, where I can manage sponsors, video projects, shot lists, and invoices, all in one place. The best part is, I didn't write a single line of code. If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description to start building your own app with Base44. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.